Hi everyone, welcome back to Xrax School. Today's video uncovers one of the biggest client transactions happening across America, a shift worth billions of dollars, but most people have not noticed it yet. For decades, the American economy was powered by physical work, offline jobs, and traditional service. But by 2027, a massive portion of these jobs will quietly move online permanently. This transformation is not loud, it's not dramatic, but it is unstoppable. So, today let's break down which offline jobs are disappearing, what is replacing them, and how this transition is creating new opportunities for people who are ready. Let's get started. Number one, traditional retail jobs, e-commerce plus digital stores. For years, retail was one of the biggest employers in America. People worked as cashiers, store manager, helpers, merchandisers, delivery staffs, and the entire system ran physically. But now, automations, online shopping, and digital inventory system are replacing thousands of roles. Shelf checkout machines are replacing cashiers, online inventory place store workers, platforms like Amazon, Walmart, online, and Shopify stores are replacing thousands of physical outlets. And by 2027, most smart retail business will be fully digital or hybrid. You don't walk through isles anymore, you scroll. The job ecosystem that once required a building now need a laptop. Number two, travel agents, AI powered travel system. There was a time when Americans would visit a travel office just to book a flight, but today AI travel tools plan your entire trip in seconds. No agents, no paperwork, just a few clicks. By 2027, more than 90% travel planning will be digital, powered by AI assistants that book hotels, tickets, transportations, even complete irritations. The offline travel industry is vanishing and the new economy is run by algorithm. Number three, real estate showing virtual tours, 3D property visit. This one of the biggest transformations. Earlier you needed to physically visit homes with an agent. Today buyers or tour homes virtually from anywhere in the world. Number three, 3D floor plans, drone property tours, AI based mortgage approval, digital signatures. By 2027, real estate from become a virtual first industry. Offline agent won't disappear, but digital real estate expert will dominate. Number four, education and tutoring, full digital learning ecosystem. Traditional tutoring used to be face to face. Now kids learn from digital classes. College students study online degrees. Skills learners use AI tutors. And by 2027, AI powered personalized learning will replace a huge number of line tutors. This shift is massive. No commute, no physical classroom, no printed materials, everything stored, tracked, and delivered online. The offline education market is shrinking fast and the digital one is exploding. 5. Banking and financial service, digital only operations. Bank are physical buildings with long queues, but today's most empirical really visit a broad mobile banking, a fraud detection, smart loans, instant transfers. Everything's becoming contactless. By 2027, more than 70% financial operations will be digital only. Bank staff roles like cash heralds, tellers, loans officer, or reduced or automatic. The future banker is an app. Number 6, customer service jobs, AI agents, virtual sales centers, call centers. Call center used to be huge, but now AI voice agent handles customer service for airline, banks, food delivery, tech companies 24/7 hours. These AI systems answer faster, learn from user behaviors, reduce waiting times, cost almost nothing compared to human staff. By 2027, the majority of customer support will go to digital with AI replacing full team. Offline call center will shrink dramatically. Number 7, healthcare appointment and remote care and AI diagnostic. Doctor won't disappear, but the way you made them in changing. Telehealth, AI symptoms checkers, digital prescriptions, remote monitoring. By 2027, millions of routine checkers will be done digitally. You won't drive to clinics for small issues. Your phone will diagnose the problems before the doctor even sees you. Number 8, restaurants, food service, automated and digital ordering. Physical waiters, order takers, phone booking, AI, all being replaced by QR menus, digital ordering kiosks, robot kitchens, automated delivery systems. Restaurants are becoming half physical, half digital. Offline jobs decreasing, digital management jobs exploding. Number 9, transportations and delivery, smart system and driverless tech. Taxi stand used to be physical Now rise a digital bike delivery used to be offline, now controlled by algorithm. By 2027, autonomous delivery, smart routing, AI fleet management, these systems will reduce thousands of traditional transport jobs. Number 10, what this means for you, hear the truth. This shift is not removing jobs, it is moving jobs. From offline buildings to online platforms, from physical presence to digital skills, from traditional work to AI assisted workflow. People who adopt will rise, people who don't will struggle. By 2027, the winners will be those who learn digital tools, AI workflows, online selling, the remote work skills, automation system, data skills, personal branding. The future belongs to those who think digital. This hidden billions-dollar transitions is already happening. Every business, every city, every industry is shifting from offline to digital, and the biggest opportunities of your life are inside this transformation. Thanks for watching Xrax School. Stay ahead, stay updated, and I see you in the next video. Thanks.